With Cinco de Mayo just around the corner, I can't help but be inspired by the music. I've got my Pandora station playing, and it is the Cinco de Mayo station. And as you can see, even when you're videotaping, you can't help but move around when you hear this music. It's so much fun. And trust me, I don't need an excuse to drink margaritas, but you know, I promise you, today I'm only drinking hot tea. So I'm trying to get a painting done and just being inspired by this beautiful music of Mexico and just having a good time. So yeah, I promise my dancing isn't always pretty, but it's always entertaining, and I like it. It's fun. So I hope that you find something that lifts you up and makes you want to dance too. So happy painting to everybody, and happy Cinco de Mayo.